In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudflare 1.1.1 base. This quick and straightforward process will help you configure your computer to use Cloudflare's DNS service, which can improve your internet speed, security, and privacy. Making this change is completely free, and you don't need to be a tech expert to follow along. I'll guide you step by step, so let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to access the settings menu on your computer. This is where we'll make the necessary changes to configure Cloudflare's DNS. To begin, open your settings menu. You can usually find this in your start menu, or by searching for settings in your computer's search bar. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the option labeled Network and Internet. This is the section where your network connections and internet settings are managed. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll need to locate a link that says Change Adapter Options. This link is typically found under the Advanced Network Settings section. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. This will open a window showing all the network adapters available on your system. At this point, you'll see a list of network connections. What you need to do is identify the connection that you're currently using to access the internet. If you're unsure which one it is, look for the connection that indicates its status as online or connected. Once you've identified it, right-click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, and from here, select Properties. In the Properties window for your active network connection, you'll see a list of items used by the connection. From this list, find and select Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4. Once it's highlighted, click the Properties button. This will open a new window where we'll make the first set of changes. In the IPv4 Properties window, you'll see two options. You want to select the one labeled Use the following DNS server addresses. When you select this, it will allow you to manually enter DNS addresses. In the preferred DNS server field, type 1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS server field, type 1.0.0.1. These are Cloudflare's DNS addresses for IPv4. Once you've entered these values, click OK to save your changes and apply the settings. Next, you'll repeat a similar process for Internet Protocol version 6, also known as TCP IPv6. Back in the Properties window, find and select TCP IPv6 from the list, and again, click the Properties button. Just like before, select Use the following DNS server addresses. This time, you'll enter Cloudflare's IPv6 DNS addresses. In the preferred DNS server field, type 2606.470.470.11.11, and in the alternate DNS server field, type 2606.470.470.11, day 1001. Once you've entered these values, click OK to confirm and apply the settings for IPv6. At this point, you've configured both IPv4 and IPv6 to use Cloudflare's DNS. Now you can go ahead and close all the open windows. Make sure that your changes have been saved before exiting. And that's it. You've successfully set up your computer to use Cloudflare 1.1.1. This should help improve your browsing experience by providing faster and more secure DNS resolution. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.